Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
The cost to fix broken headphones can vary widely, depending on the brand, model, and type of damage. For simple issues like a broken cable or jack, repairs might range from $10 to $30. However, more complex problems, such as damage to the speakers or internal wiring, could cost significantly more, up to $100 or more for high-end models. It's often worthwhile to compare the repair cost against the price of a new pair, especially if your headphones are older or out of warranty.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.